So here we go. The vision of the project profession refined. Mike, take it away.
So our vision is to deliver patient care in the right and appropriate place at the right time by adding value. I'm going to add value through having a project management framework that everything's going to be supported on. We're going to have various NHS organisations going to be linked together using the framework. Our vision is to break down barriers, overcome complexity. We are going to grow our own talent and develop knowledge within the teams.
Yep.
We're going to bring our external stakeholders into the framework, but we're going to try and keep them at bay, hence the barrier. We'll also engage with patients, but at arm's length basis, depending on what it is we're doing. We're going to engage with our clinicians and other key stakeholders. We're hopefully going to have some funding to do this with. I'm going to do the whole thing with courage and strong leadership. This represents the 7 regions and the central bodies that are going to help us do this. We're going to communicate with everybody, and we're going to link out to all the different organisations and run that golden thread through it. We are going to keep an eye on threats that are coming towards us and come up with ways of stopping them, and that's having a look for future threats that are coming in.
Yep.
We are going to continually improve and look for opportunities through the window of opportunity, and as part of that we're going to develop a respected culture for project professionals. Distinctive. What we develop is going to be long lasting, and we are going to be a beacon of the project profession, both in terms of respect and kind of regulatory bodies and how they see us.
Give that man a round.